Hello, my name is Geraldine Cusack and I'm a senior researcher at Irish Manufacturing Research in Dublin, Ireland, working in the Sustainable Manufacturing team. I'm a committee member of Future Earth Ireland and a committee member of the Royal Irish Academy Multidisciplinary Climate Change and Environmental Sciences Committee, and I'm very happy to be able to celebrate with you in marking the 50th anniversary of the first Earth Day. My background is in geological engineering, environmental consulting, energy economics, sustainability, and circularity. The Earth's ecosystems, air, water, soil, biodiversity, and associated challenges such as dealing with climate changes and developing new ways of thinking around Earth resource management, circular economy principles, bring awareness to the values of the planetary ecosystems and the responsibilities that we all have to act as stewards to help protect and be concerned caretakers of our planet for those yet to come into our world. I think NASA astronomer Carl Sagan's inspiring commentary titled "The Pale Blue Dot" puts Earth Day into perspective for us all. On February 14, 1990, the spacecraft Voyager left our planetary neighborhood for the fringes of the solar system, and Carl Sagan asked the engineers to turn it around for one last look at home planet. Voyager 1 was about 6.4 billion kilometers away. A snippet of his reflection reads, "Look again at that dot. That's here, that's home, that's us. On it, everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives. Every saint and sinner in the history of the species lived there, on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam." Carl Sagan's words epitomize to me what sustainability should mean for everyone. Over the years, my subject areas, geology, engineering, energy, environment, economics, brought me to work with varied sectors of societies. In the beginning, I worked in projects that dealt with the consequences of not following sustained pathways, those that resulted in environmental degradation, and now I work on topics aiming to implement project action that create sustainable futures. On December 24, 1968, astronauts on the moon took the first full-color photo of the Earth. This photo, titled Earthrise, showed us both the strength and the fragility of our planet, the only habitable one that we can call our home. It was an historic moment that helped recrystallize the views of our planet, like a selfie from space. Our collective knowledge of this planet and its dynamic Earth systems, ecosystems, and biological systems has obviously grown over the past 50 years through an understanding of the interconnectivity among all systems in play. But we have exploded in our population. 50 years ago, there was approximately 3.8 billion people competing for life here, and in 2020, we're at 7.8 billion, competing for fewer available resources. The COVID-19 pandemic is also proving with stark reality and urgency just how much we depend on each other to do the right thing, protect one another and the most vulnerable in our societies. We are relying on a healthy, thriving planet Earth to help us recover. The sustainability link between environmental issues and our current health crisis is becoming clear to more people. We need to acknowledge the key drivers of such pandemics, includes the voracious urbanization around the globe that encroaches directly on wildlife ecosystems and the loss of biodiversity and ecosystems themselves. As these complexities and sustainability issues grow with increased population needs, our understanding of sustainability issues, connectedness, and interdependences strengthen. Circularity thinking helps in understanding these symbiotic relationships and aims to help us design for sustainability in many parts of life on Earth. I may have an idealist view, but I think we need to be optimistic to be able to take on the complexities of challenges we face in our future. A sustainable future is one where cooperation and partnership need to become the common thread stitching humanity together. It's the 17th goal of the SDGs. What we do makes a mark on our planet in the form of what we call footprints. We have carbon footprints, ecological footprints, water footprints, energy footprints. They all refer to embedded impacts that we cause on the planet based on what we consume or used. Understanding these footprints we make and implementing simple changes can help us to begin building more sustainable lifestyles that collectively will help us reduce our footprints on Earth. So how do we design our lives for this future? Rethinking our present models for success, growth, and well-being and the sustainability of supply chains embedded in our economies needs an overhaul. What is it that we're trading? Where is it coming from? And what are the various consequences and risks associated with consuming it? The negative consequences or environmental externalities need to be costed into the price or of the good or service to show the true cost to society as a whole. We all need to be rethinking our economic models of development. This is not a job to hand over to the economists. In democratic societies, we have a vote. We can elect into governments people who can lead in this area. Poorer countries of the world are struggling with basic human issues of water access, sanitation, food, and health. Shouldn't richer countries be leading the changes by embedding sustainability and circularity? A most recent example of a positive opportunity lies in the EU Circular Economy Action Plan. Humankind has been changing, adapting, evolving to survive through millions of years, and it's in us as human beings to want to imagine, explore, understand, create, and develop ourselves and our world. If we screw up our world, and it's our fault, I'm betting on the planet's ecosystem and biological systems will survive, recover, and evolve faster than our humankind will be able to, so let's not put that to the test. Thanks for watching. This video is part of a series of expert reflections curated by Future Earth Ireland as part of the Future Earth Week. To watch other videos or to find out more about Future Earth Ireland, check the Future Earth Ireland on Twitter or go to the Future Earth Ireland website. Thank you.